Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to fix iMessage and FaceTime activation errors. The first method would be to go to Settings, and as you can see, head to this section here and tap on Messages and turn iMessages off and then back on. And then go to FaceTime and do the same. Next is to check for an iOS update by going to General and then Software Update. And as you can see, it says it's up to date for me. Next, go to Cellular and make sure cellular data is turned on or you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. And if all that does not work, try restarting your phone by holding the button on your right side and the volume down button together for a few seconds and slide to power off and then turn your phone back on by holding the button on the right. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like, comment if you have any more questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!